It is a bright blue day, and the air is filled with birdsong. You row your kayak along the shoreline, watching the children swimming in the shallow waters, splashing each other with joy. You dip your fingertips into the lake as you glide by, feeling the smoothness, liquidness of it on your skin. A nest is tucked away in the spike rush, and you are careful not to disturb it as you pass. A fish jumps floppily to your left, catching its lunch. Smiling, you cool your hot face with cupped hands of lake before rowing homeward, relishing the natural beauty of Lake Chapala. This dream of Lake Chapala as a healthy, thriving ecosystem and community is possible. By restoring riparian habitats today, this will no longer be a dream, but a reality to be shared for generations to come. Restoring Lake Chapala's riparian areas should be considered the most important aspect of the region's waterfront plan. Lake Chapala is Mexico's largest freshwater lake, with many towns and communities relying on its waters and watersheds. The agricultural sector, which takes up a huge percentage of the lake's catchment area, is particularly vulnerable if these waters are not protected. Water levels have been steadily decreasing, uncovering previously underwater riparian areas that require new management strategies. Lake Chapala is also one of the most polluted waters in Mexico, with high levels of heavy metals and toxic substances detected in the lake, with most coming in from the Lerma River. Community engagement is a critical aspect of the riparian restoration process. By fostering collaboration between the public, private, and governmental sectors, creative solutions can emerge and trust between groups can be established. Providing hands-on educational opportunities will help the Lake Chapala region to grow into a forward-thinking cultural hub that supports long-term sustainability goals. By focusing on improving water quality and engaging the community, Lake Chapala has the chance to become world-renowned for its ability to address environmental issues and prioritize community well-being. Although not a simple task, the need for riparian restoration of Lake Chapala is clear. Any other improvements to the waterfront would be remiss without giving due attention to the ecological health of the region. Attend to your roots, to the pulse of what makes Mexico beautiful, your life-giving waters, your diversity of flora and fauna, and your vibrant people. Together, working as a community, you can ensure that your beautiful home will be around for generations to come.